Bob the Builder. Camera. Today, Bob has the day off from work. Bob wants to spend his day off taking pictures of birds. He is going to make a picture album for Wendy filled with pictures of birds. Bob sees Squawk with Spud and takes some pictures with his camera.
Are we ready? Smile!
Bob sees Rolly's friend Bird. Smile for the camera, Bird, Bob says. But when Bob takes a picture of Bird, he accidentally holds his camera backwards. Oops! Bob takes a picture of himself instead of Bird.
Let's try that again.
Muck is paving a road today and Bob stops to say hello. Who is crossing Muck's new road? It's a family of ducks. Bob takes a few pictures for Wendy's bird picture album.
Say cheese, Muck and ducks.
A family of cardinals makes a nest in Bob's building yard. Wendy goes outside to look at the birds. The cardinals will be perfect for Wendy's picture album of birds. Bob twists the dial and focuses his camera. Now his pictures will look great.
Now that's in focus. Now that's in focus.
Later, Bob takes his favorite pictures and puts them in a new photo album for Wendy. Wendy's new photo album is filled with pictures of birds, but it also has pictures of her friends.